Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Q2 FY24 earnings conference call of Sarthak Metals Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference has been recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Sagar Shah from Sarthak Metals. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you, Jacob. Hello, everyone, and very good afternoon. Thank you all for joining this call. I hope you all have went through our financial outcome for the quarter 2. Let me take you through our performance and way forward for us as a company. We clocked the revenue of about 77 crores in quarter 2 in comparison to 81 crores in the previous quarter. Our net profit stood at 5.5 crores against 5.35 crores in the previous quarter. That's a marginal dip of about 5% in the revenue on quarter-on-quarter basis, and net profit margin stood at 7.5% in comparison to 6.5% in the previous quarter. Year-on-year basis comparison will reflect a dip specifically in the revenue, mainly due to realizations normalizing and the overall cool down in the demand of steel and the geopolitical tensions across the globe. For the people who have been following our company and the Concalls would know how we have tackled the falling prices of our raw materials by keeping the lowest inventory. You all would be pleased to know that we strongly believe that the prices are at their bottom, and we haven't seen much of a movement in the prices, but we are slowly ramping up the inventory. Of course, keeping the risk inside, we will be careful with it. Our aluminium scrap imports are at all-time high since COVID. Orders inflow has been steady and very repetitive, which shows our relationship with our customers and their trust in us. Our top clients still hold the optimistic vision, and the expansions are in place. I would like to show some light on our exports this quarter. Our exports this quarter in comparison to the last quarter have increased by about 100% in the cold wire segment and by about 150% in the aluminium wire segment. Our plan to tap into the export business is showing good results. Coming to the new segment that we have added in our portfolio is the flux cold wire segment. The plant is set and the trial runs have been successful, and now we are waiting for some formal certifications, and then our product will be commercially available. So the next quarter we should be able to sell some product in the next quarter. With that, now I would like to start the Q&A session. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. A reminder to all participants, to ask a question, you may press star and 1. Mr. Sagar, you may proceed.
As I'm seeing, there are no questions this time. and that could be a good sign, that could be a bad sign. Good sign, I would definitely see it as a good sign because we're keeping our vision very clear in front of you all. So I would just brief up about the company and where we are at the moment, and then we'll end the call. On the steel side, we are definitely looking at some very exciting quarters ahead. The demand has been slow, and whenever the demand is slow, there's an upcycle just forming. So the next few quarters can be very interesting. A slight revival from the Chinese economy would mean a surcharge in the prices of our raw material and the finished products as well. So that would be a key element to watch out for. Other than that, the flux cold wire segment is something very interesting that we've worked on, and we are very excited about how the business propositions look in that sector. We are very strategically placed in Bhilai. Our key target areas to start with would be Chhattisgarh, and the second target is Nagpur. So once our product gets approved by some of our customers that we are eyeing on, we will definitely try to move our product across states. The product seems very promising, and as soon as our product gets regularly used and approved by our customers, we are definitely looking forward to adding some more lines and increasing our capacity. Other than that, we as a team, we are always on a lookout for better opportunities, and we're not afraid of shifting lines. The current business is very much set, and we're very proud of what we've built, our ancestors have built, and we'll keep working on it. We'll keep working on improving our relationships with our customers, and our revenue is on a rise. Like if we eliminate the post-COVID upcycle, if we would compare our revenues pre-COVID and now, we're still sitting on a high revenue and high margins. Along with it, we've added one more business line. We're already working on some more business lines. So the future looks very interesting, and we as a team, as youngsters, we're just looking forward to it. That's all from my side. Jacob, you can check if there's anyone in queue, and if there's not, we'll end the call.
Sure. So as of now, we don't have anyone in the queue.
Sure. So thank you for your time. If for everyone that has joined, and we'll get back in the next quarter. Thank you so much.
Thank you. On behalf of Sarthak Metals, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.